Welcome children. In previous session we have completed reading segment 1. Today we are going to start reading segment 2. So let us see the glossary first. Imposing, impressive to look at. Submitted, accepted authority. Biding, order. Beg and call. It is an idiom. Be ready to do what someone asks. Divine, find out something by guessing. Infancy means childhood. Deficiencies, insufficiencies. Children, let us go to reading segment 2. Pick up that stick. The dark boy picked it up. Jump into the flowers. The dark boy jumped. Get me some water. The dark boy ran inside. The white boy sat down on the lawn. I was amazed. Here, before my eyes, a white baby, for they were little more than babies, was imposing his will upon a little black boy. And the little black boy submitted. I puzzled within myself as I went down the road. Could it be that the little dark boy was the son of a servant in the home and therefore had to do the white boy's bidding? No, they were obviously dressed alike. The little dark boy was equal class with his playmate. No, they were playmates. The little dark boy was a neighbor's child. I was sure of that. Then how was it that he obeyed so faithfully the white boy's orders? Was it that even as a boy, he sensed that in his own country he would be at the white man's beck and call? Could he at his age divine a difference between himself and the white boy? And did the little white youngster, so young, such a baby, realize that he would grow to dominate the black man? Was there an indefinable quality in that white man that enabled his baby, smaller and younger than his playmate, to make him his slave? I could find no answer. I could not bring myself to believe such a thing, and yet, with my own eyes, I had seen a little dark boy take orders from a little white boy. A little white boy, obviously his social equal and younger and smaller. Were we as a race really inferior? So inferior that even in our infancy, we realized our deficiencies and accepted a position as the white man's servant. So children, we already discussed in the reading segment 1 how the white boy was commanding the little dark boy. Here, the narrator was amazed how the white boy was imposing his will on the little dark boy, and the little dark boy was also doing whatever the white boy was told. The narrator thought that the little dark boy was a son of a servant in his home. They were dressed alike. The little dark boy was of equal class with his playmate. The narrator was so much worried about in his own country how the racial discrimination was. Should the blacks accept inferiority and accept a position as the servants to the white race? The narrator was worrying about it and he was thinking about the incident which children, let us look at the comprehension questions of reading segment 2. Who was playing the role of a master in the game? Why was the narrator amazed?